Picture this, me a seasoned traveler, face down on a Cancun beach, sunburnt, and sporting a sombrero 10 sizes too big. Why? I fell for the oldest tourist trap in the book. It's easy to get swept up in the excitement of this vibrant paradise. But fear not, fellow adventurers. I'm here to spill the beans on Cancun, from budget-friendly fiestas to luxurious escapes without the sunburn or sombrero shenanigans. Whether you're picturing yourself sipping margaritas with your toes in the sand or exploring ancient Mayan ruins, Cancun has something for everyone. But beyond the dazzling resorts and bustling nightlife lies a world of hidden gems waiting to be discovered. From secluded beaches with crystal clear waters to authentic local eateries bursting with flavor, Cancun is bursting with surprises. So buckle up and get ready to dive into the heart of Cancun. I'm about to equip you with insider tips and tricks to navigate this captivating destination like a pro, ensuring your trip is unforgettable for all the right reasons. Get ready to swap those tourist traps for authentic experiences, because Cancun is calling and adventure awaits. First things first, let's talk budget. Backpacking in Cancun is totally doable. Ditch the pricey resorts and opt for hostels or guest houses in downtown Cancun. You'll be in the heart of the action and save a bundle. Plus, you'll meet fellow travelers from around the world, swap stories, and maybe even find a travel buddy or two. When it comes to beaches, Playa Delfines is your go-to. It's free, it's gorgeous, and the iconic Cancun sign makes for a perfect photo. Pack your own snacks and drinks so you avoid tourist traps. For a taste of local life, hop on the local bus and head to Puerto Morelos. This charming fishing village boasts quieter beaches, delicious seafood, and a laid-back vibe. Don't forget to explore the underwater world. Snorkeling or diving in the Great Mayan Reef is a must-do. Plenty of affordable tour operators offer excursions for every budget. In the evening, ditch the fancy restaurants and head to Parque Las Palapas. This lively park comes alive with street food vendors selling mouth-watering tacos, esquites, and other local delicacies for a fraction of the price. Now, if luxury is more your style, Cancun has you covered. But don't limit yourself to the confines of your all-inclusive resort. Venture out and experience the finer things in life. For a truly indulgent stay, check into a boutique hotel in the hotel zone. These stylish havens offer personalized service, stunning ocean views, and top-notch amenities. When it comes to dining, Cancun's culinary scene is a fusion of flavors. Treat yourself at one of the many gourmet restaurants with world-renowned chefs. From fresh seafood with a Mexican twist to innovative international cuisine prepared to be wowed. For a day trip that's as luxurious as it is unforgettable, charter a private yacht. Explore the secluded beaches of Isla Mujeres, snorkel in pristine waters, and soak up the sun in style. In the evening, catch a breathtaking sunset over the lagoon while sipping on handcrafted cocktails. Remember, luxury is about experiences, and Cancun offers a plethora of options to indulge your every whim. Hidden gems of Cancun, but here's the thing, the real magic of Cancun lies beyond the tourist traps. It's about venturing off the beaten path and discovering the hidden gems that make this destination truly special. Rent a car and head south to Tulum. This bohemian paradise boasts stunning Mayan ruins perched on cliffs overlooking the Caribbean Sea. For a unique cultural experience, visit El Meco, a smaller, less crowded Mayan ruin site just north of Cancun. Channel your inner Indiana Jones as you climb the ancient pyramids and soak up the history. For a taste of adventure, explore the underwater world of cenotes. These natural sinkholes offer a refreshing escape from the heat and a chance to swim in crystal clear waters surrounded by stalactites and stalagmites. For a truly unforgettable experience, visit Cancun during turtle nesting season from May to October. Witnessing these gentle creatures lay their eggs on the beach is a sight you won't soon forget. Cancun calling your adventure awaits. So there you have it, your guide to uncovering the real Cancun, from budget-friendly adventures to luxurious escapes. Remember, the best travel experiences are the ones that take you beyond the ordinary. Don't be afraid to ditch the itinerary, get lost in the local culture, and create your own unforgettable memories. Thank you for joining me on this virtual journey to Cancun. I hope I've inspired you to pack your bags and experience the magic for yourself. Remember to travel safely, respectfully, and with a sense of adventure. And stay tuned, because next time we'll be uncovering the hidden gems of another incredible destination. Until then, happy travels.